Hi, Mike here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install LapStacker Flex horizontally on a folding wheelchair. So in this case, this wheelchair has a seat base that sits internally to the main frame, and we could install this vertically, but there will be situations where either your wheelchair doesn't have a dual frame or there are some items that are in the way where you need to install it horizontally on a folding wheelchair. So I've already got this pre-installed, and the way you install this horizontally is you wrap the top tension strap underneath the folding part of the seat, and we connect the lower tension strap. Now we're going to tension the lower tension strap first, and the trick with this installation is to adjust the tension of the top strap here so that the seat base will still sit down, and as it sits right down, it tensions that up just perfectly. So as you can see there, both the top and the lower tension straps are perfectly tensioned, and the seat base can still remain down in its allocated position. That is how you install the LapStacker Flex horizontally on a folding wheelchair underneath the seat base. As you can see, when the chair's folded, this will then become loose, which is why the Velcro that is attached to the frame of the chair and the flex strap is really important to keep that in position. Then once the chair is extended, you can see they both tension up nicely. I suggest you tidy up the straps using the rubber retainers here, and then you're good to go. You may also like to use the top buckle holders if you have brakes that are in the way, and to see more about that, refer to our video on installing the top buckle holder. I hope that's been helpful. If you ever run into any issues with your installation, please reach out to support. We're more than happy to help.